And we're back with 843 TV at Coastal Discovery Museum talking about the fall and everything that's offered here. We're with Dawn Brut, and she's the Director of Education. Going to talk about what's happening this fall. And we want to point out, we're here at the terrace. The boardwalk is behind us. So many wonderful places to come and explore here at the museum, and a lot of good workshops and seminars.
Absolutely. So now we're into our fall season, which we would put September, October, November in the category of our fall season. So you can go online and check out all the new programs that we've got going on. So a variety of different walks, presentations, history, art, culture, so many different topics and ways to learn this fall season.
Yeah, so talk about a few of them coming up.
Yeah, so we're really excited. We have a new creature feature. So creature feature is Monday afternoons, and it is something that's going to be different every week.
Okay.
So every week we will highlight a different animal. People participating in that program will, of course, get to see and possibly interact with that live animal, which is always fun.
I did that last time.
So that's right. That's right. And you loved it, right? And so in addition to, learning about that animal, there'll be different activities, maybe crafts, maybe games, different ways to learn. And that is really geared towards families, folks with kids, young learners to enjoy with their adults. So that is a great program for homeschoolers.
Yeah.
And we have a couple other homeschool programs going on as well throughout the fall season.
Wonderful.
So, yeah.
And of course, as we're talking, some of these things are free of charge. Some have some fees.
Absolutely. So again, you can check online or pick up our printed calendar and see which ones you can just stop by, which ones require registrations and have a fee as well.
Okay, what are some of the other ones?
So we also have our Discovery Nights, which most Thursdays there's something exciting happening after hours at the museum, so an opportunity to come in the evening and do a workshop. And so we also have workshops at other times of the week or year, but Thursdays is our Discovery Night workshops. And so we might be doing some things with indigo tie-dye. We're kind of making floral arrangements out of pumpkins. And we'll also be doing some lantern workshops to help people get ready for that lantern parade.
The big parade coming in November.
Absolutely. So we've got 2 lantern workshops coming up. One, we're going to make jellyfish, and then another one, it'll be create your own, make whatever you want. And those, both of those are on Discovery Nights, but we also have a Saturday workshop, a family-friendly lantern workshop, the Saturday before the lantern parade. So again, families, people with younger kids, that's a great opportunity to come and make your own lantern so you can participate in the parade.
I love it. Good, wholesome family fun.
Absolutely.
What other things do you have going on? There's something special with an anniversary, though, coming up.
Yes, it is the 250th anniversary of the Revolutionary War. So most Wednesdays in October and November, we have a speaker coming to share their expertise about some sort of, battle, event, person, some significance with the Revolutionary War. And we're looking forward to that very much. We've got a lot of history buffs in the area, so we're excited to have them come out and learn more as well.
And of course, I always have to say, I say it all the time that we're here, just come out and just explore. Explore and discover. You don't even have to sign up for a special workshop, but there are many of them, because it's just so much education just in looking around, and a lot of the boards and display boards. So maybe talk about some of those around the property.
So you can just come and explore our grounds. You want to stop up at the front desk and get a map of the property, and you'll follow the Around the Horn Trail. And as you follow the Around the Horn Trail, there will be education panels along the way where you can learn about the history or learn about what you're looking at. In addition to that, there's also QR codes around the property that you can scan and get an audio tour of the property as well. Yeah, and just beautiful places like our boardwalks, our butterfly habitats, our gardens, so many beautiful places to explore. And the fall, is now that it's cooled down a little bit, is a good time to wander all the way around the property. We've got that Nan Lloyd Trail that we extended a few years ago that you can go on a beautiful walk through the woods now too.
So you can spend a few hours. You can even spend a whole day here at Coastal Discovery Museum. And that's why we love coming out here. Thanks for sharing with us, Dawn.
Thank
you all for watching this episode of 843 TV, where communities come to speak.